5 things that improve your focus and concentrations as a listener. Hello guys, what's up? We're back with another mind-blowing video. We all know how communications is important in today's high-tech era. But do you think it is possible without listening properly? It is very common among us that we can't focus when someone is talking. So we really devote less time to listening to others. Genuine listening is a rare gift now. Although it helps in building a good relationship, solving problems, ensuring understanding, resolving conflicts, and improving accuracy. In building a relationship, effective listening also helps work by committing fewer errors and wasting less time. In addition, listening builds careers and friendships, saving money and marriage. So, here are 5 tips that I will discuss to improve your listening power, which will ultimately save you from any conflict or any life hurdle. But what are you waiting for? Click subscribe icon and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on any of our new videos. Now, without any further delay, let's get started with what improves our focus and concentrations as a listener. In the 5th positions, we have to keep our minds open. The first and most important thing you must always remember is to keep an open mind. You need not judge the other person while listening or mentally criticize the things they tell you. If what they say alarms you, you can go ahead and feel aware of it, but you need not have to react to it. As soon as you are indulged in judgmental abuse, you will be compromising your effectiveness as a listener. Do not jump to conclusions without listening. You should remember that the speaker uses language to represent their feelings or thoughts inside their brains. Listen to the words and imagine what the speaker is trying to say. You can do it by allowing your mind to make a mental model of the communicated content. Then, when listening for long announcements, you need to concentrate on and remember the keywords and phrases. You must have come across in your life that whenever you try to focus on something important, you easily get distracted by simply just looking at your phone or when you are watching television. It is very easy to divert your mind, but concentrating is not that easy. Let me give you a pro tip. When it's your turn to listen, don't spend the time thinking about what to say. You cannot rehearse or speak simultaneously. You only need to think about what the speaker is saying. At number 4, you need not interrupt and don't impose your solution. It's rude when you interrupt when someone is talking. Concentrate on what is being said, even if it bores you or triggers you. We should understand that everyone thinks and speaks at different rates. If you are an agile talker and a quick thinker, the burden is on you. You need to relax and slow down your pace to have some thoughtful answers in these situations. When someone is talking about an issue, avoid suggesting solutions. Not everyone wants to hear advice anyway. However, somewhere way down the line, if you are surely bursting with incredible solution, then at least ask the speaker's permission. Are you aware that sleep deprivations can disrupt concentrations? Occasional sleep deprivations may not cause too many problems for you, but regularly failing to get a good night's sleep can affect your mood and performance at work. Being too tired can even slow down your reflexes, ultimately affecting your abilities. You can try meditations to improve your concentration's power. By meditations, it doesn't mean sitting silently with your eyes closed. Yoga, deep breathing, and many other activities can help you meditate. Next, in the 3rd positions, we have the tip for you to wait for the speaker to stop saying and then ask questions. You can't answer when you don't understand the question. So, you should ask the speaker to explain the question when you don't understand something. But it doesn't mean that you will interrupt. You should wait until the speaker pauses. Then ask questions to ensure something. Your questions will lead people in different directions that have nothing to do with where they thought they were going. And it's hard to work your way back to the original topic. When you see that your questions has led the speaker astray, you should be responsible for getting the conversations back on the original track. Face the speaker and maintain eye contact. Eye contact is considered a basic ingredient of effective communication. When we talk, we look each other in the eye. That doesn't mean that you can carry on a conversations from across the room or from another room, but the other persons will get up and move if the conversations continues. The desire for better communications pulls you together. In the 2nd place, try to connect with the feeling of the speaker. We all know empathy is the heart and soul of good listening. When someone is sharing their feelings, it may be joyous, fearful, or sad. You should be able to express your feelings by showcasing some words and facial expressions. If you do this, your efficiency as a listener gets assured. Empathy doesn't come easily. First, you are required to put yourself in the place of another person and allow yourself to feel what's it like to be that person for a particular moment. By doing this, you can understand them and feel their words by understanding. But trust me, it is not that easy to do. It takes both concentrations and energy, but it's a generous and beneficial thing to do and helps in facilitating communications like nothing else. Don't be judgmental. Being judgmental while listening is a common mistake many do, and it's a big psychological block in understanding the concept. You should always listen to get knowledge. You need not have to debate and cause disputes. But unfortunately, many of us have a psychological habit of raising doubts in our minds while still listening to something. This doubting nature prevents us from going deep into what we are expected to learn. When your friend expresses her sadness, she expects you console to her. She expects you to console her. But do you think it is possible to do so when you don't focus on what she says? By doing this, you are ultimately risking your friendship. It doesn't mean that you don't value friendship, but the main thing is that you can concentrate. Try to listen to what she's expressing, and it's not that they want your advice. They just want your support, and by the support, it means it will be more than enough if you listen to her. Your facial expressions and your words will make the other person relax. And to do that, you first have to be relaxed. Finally, give the speaker regular feedback. This is quite simple, but it is a bonus point. By reflecting on the speaker's feeling, you can show them that you understood them. If the speaker's feelings are hidden, you can try to paraphrase the information of the message. If you don't desire to do that, you can just nod as well as showcase your understanding with your facial expressions. The real motive is to give the speaker evidence that you listen and follow their thoughts. But don't be a sentence grabbler. Don't try to finish someone else's sentence on your own. This will ultimately show your ineffectiveness of listening. You won't be able to improve your listening skills until you concentrate, and concentrations requires relaxation too. So free your mind and try to focus while listening. Your diet too plays an important role in affecting your concentration and memory. You should try to avoid processed foods, too much sugar, and very greasy or fatty foods. The food items can boost concentrations include eggs, fatty fish, blueberries, as well as spinach. I think everyone knows these items very well. Staying hydrated can also have a positive impact on concentrations. Even mild dehydrations can make it harder to focus or remember information. Eating breakfast can help you by boosting your focus first thing in the morning. Aim for a meal that's low in added sugars and high in protein and fiber. Oatmeal, a plain yogurt with fruit, or whole grain toast with eggs are good breakfast choices. At last, we have come to the end of this video. Do you find today's videos useful? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you like my video, do share it with your friends. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Until we meet again, take care and see you soon.